This video is all about why AI won't replace human workers and what the real leadership challenge is about the future of work. So let's jump into it. The question has changed. Leaders used to ask who's the right person for the job and how can we increase the capabilities of our human workers so that we can do more things or hire more people to get more work done. In the future, the question is going to be who should be doing this work? Is it human, AI agent, or some combination of both? I created this Human+AI Capability Map to help you as a leader decide what type of work are you looking to get done and who should be doing it. Let's dive into this here real quick. Mapping it from left to right, we have a white bar for the human capability of work. They can do about 80% of the jobs that you need to get done right now. On the y axis, going up from bottom to top, I put the bar at about 20% capability of AI being able to do the work at this moment. These are just generic numbers that I picked. You could think about your specific task, or you could rank your team in tech and put these lines where you think they should be. Then that divides this capability map into four distinct sections. We're going to take the easy ones. If AI can't do it and humans can, that's the yellow box. Humans should get that work done. If neither are capable of doing it, we should avoid that work entirely. In the lower right, we have work that AI should do because the humans are not capable. Those are all pretty easy decisions. The one that people make the mistake on is the green box. They think if AI can do it, AI will be better than humans, so AI should do it instead. In fact, we find that the best work gets done when humans and AI collaborate together. That's why humans will never be replaced with AI because they get augmented by AI. They get empowered by AI. They become more capable. And AI doesn't have all of the tools, the experience, the context, the human judgment, the ethics that your humans do. So you can't remove them from the loop. Now, as we dive into this even further, we find that there are some leadership challenges in each one of these buckets. The yellow bucket, the zone one, human led stuff, we have to protect what makes our business human. We got to continue to protect our judgment, the trust, the story of your business, ethics that I mentioned, the emotion that is only capable from human work. Zone was is incredibly important to make sure it remains in your business. Zone two is the AI led. That was the lower right, where there's a ton of repetition or mass amounts of data that need to be analyzed. We have complicated reports or we need pattern recognition. Maybe it's AI transcription or translation into foreign languages that humans couldn't do or would be extremely difficult for them to do. We can feel good about leaving this work to AI because we're putting in safeguards and standards to make sure that work gets done correctly. And it's work that humans couldn't have done or wouldn't enjoy doing. It would require a massive amount of effort. Now, zone three is the red one. This is the one we want to eliminate. This is broken work or it's impossible work at the moment. So, low capability or low impact work. This could be busy work that nobody should be doing. It could be workflows and reports that nobody uses or nobody reads. All of that should be eliminated. Also, work that's not possible yet, I feel like is a big distraction right now. People think AI is a magic wand and that we should start planning for all of this impossible work we've never been able to do before. And now we have this magical capability to get done. We're not there yet. Don't get distracted by what is possible with what is capable of doing right now and what AI is effective at doing at the moment. The best way to eliminate the and minimize this red box is to increase the capability of your technology and increase the capability of your team because it shrinks from both sides. We'll talk more about that here in a moment. But let's dive into this green box. The lower left is where AI and humans are capable of contributing to the work. I call this the Iron Man zone because if you think about Tony Stark, he uses the technology of the suit wrapped around him and the AI of Jarvis to give him information he wouldn't otherwise have. And it takes Tony Stark, the human, and turns him into a superhero. But we still get the human judgment. The Tony sets the strategy. AI accelerates it and makes it fly. This is where speed and quality rise together. If you pair the right people with the right AI tools and the right processes, real magic can happen for your business. Now, again, if we look at this, what we need to do is invest in increasing our technological capabilities while we increase our human capabilities. That grows that green square, shrinks the red square, and you get the most possible impact for your business. AI will challenge your decision making and your leadership judgment as we go forward. It's impossible to know what the future will hold, but you can map each situation and make strategic decisions about who should be doing the work and how it should get done. Hit subscribe or follow me on LinkedIn for more information about marketing, specifically human first AI marketing, and what's possible as we go forward in the future of growing our business. Until then, keep going.